Today we got a ceiling light. Now this one has plenty of different selection for light from 2700 Ks all the way to 5000 Ks. We're going to take a look at it and see how it works and how it looks. So it's 7.1 to begin with. So we're going to open it up. It's a little larger than the 6. So let's take a look at it and see how it looks. You got a hot, neutral, and then ground, right? That's pretty much what you need to connect. Now they give you an extra accessories in case you have an existing area that you have a light bulb section. To change the different lighting effects on this one, you're gonna have to twist the actual bulb, right, to take it out. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. As you can see, this is the other functions we're gonna require to change it right here in this section. So we'll put it to the brightest, all right, and then we're gonna change it and put it to the lowest. If you guys can see, the LED light is very small, petite, but all right. So my instructions are telling me that this part right here, this is where it's gonna get crossing up into grabbing into the actual fixture. So this goes in here, but you got to tighten it up a little bit more, and you have to do it from within the other side. All right, here we have it in the highest, brightest part. All right, if you guys can see that, it's the brightest that we have it on. So we're gonna turn it down to the lowest. All right, we're gonna change it manually here. So we're gonna go and see if we can change the brightness and see if I could control it before it gets hot. So that's one tone here. That's the other one. And that's the last one right there. So it's more like a yellow color. You guys can see that. So we're gonna go back to the brightest one, and that's how it works. Very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.